All right, so it says you're conducting a test here, and that, I mean, I could even write out that the null hypothesis is that the proportion equals 79%. We typically write that as a decimal. And then the alternative they're saying is left tail less than. And so if I drew this out, what this looks like in a picture, kind of ugly, nice straight line, is when I standardize my mean to 0, because that's what you're doing, it's asking if I got a z-value. So we've looked at how to do z-values. What would this area be right here? And that's what it's asking for the p-value. Now, back in the old days, we used to have to look these up in tables, but now you guys have it so nicely. If you go to your Google Sheets to the Compute tab, go to a normal. So the proportion, remember, uses a normal distribution. I want to standardize the mean to 0. My sigma is my standard deviation. I standardize that to 1. Now remember, this said less than negative 2.888. So less than would be just some big number. I mean, it's all the way to infinity. So I just put some big negative number, and then I put this value that they asked, and this is my probability, this 0.0019. If this was a greater than, and I'll probably do one here in a second, then the lower bound would be your value and the upper bound would be a very large value.